Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the ABS function in Excel. The ABS function, short for absolute, returns the absolute value of a number, which is the number without its sign. This means that negative numbers are converted to positive numbers, while positive numbers and zero remain unchanged. The ABS function is particularly useful in financial modeling, data analysis, and situations where you want to calculate the magnitude of a number regardless of its sign. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the ABS function means. Number, the number for which you want to find the absolute value. This can be a direct number, a cell reference, or a formula that returns a number. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of gains and losses in column A, and you want to find the absolute value of each entry to analyze the total impact regardless of whether it's a gain or a loss. In column A, you have a series of numbers, -100, 200, -50, 75, -300. To calculate the absolute value of each entry, we use the ABS function. In cell B1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Number A1 refers to the cell containing the first number, -100. Press Enter, and Excel will return 100, which is the absolute value of -100. Now, drag the fill handle from cell B1 down to cell B5 to apply the ABS function to the rest of the cells in column A. Excel will convert all negative numbers to positive and leave positive numbers unchanged. Suppose you have a formula in cell C1 that calculates the difference between two values, equals B1 minus A1. If this formula returns a negative number, you want to display it as a positive number. In cell D1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Number C1 is the cell containing the formula equals B1 minus A1. Press Enter, and Excel will return the absolute value of the result from the formula in C1. The ABS function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Financial analysis. Calculate absolute values to assess the total impact of gains and losses without considering the direction, positive or negative. Data cleaning. Convert negative numbers to positive to prepare data for further analysis. Mathematical operations. Use ACE to ensure that formulas involving differences or subtractions return non-negative results, making them easier to interpret.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.